assets from lawsuits. Now, many asset protection experts agree that the strongest asset protection tool in the world is the Cook Islands Trust. The Cook Islands are located down south of Hawaii. It has the strongest case law history in the world for asset protection, so it's not just theory, but each time it's been tested, we've seen it protect our clients' assets from lawsuits. And yes, there are domestic trusts, but if you study the case law and the increasing theories of legal liability, you will see many results-oriented judges are able to penetrate the domestic trusts. And the reason why the international trusts work so well is where the domestic ones haven't, is when the local courts say, give me the money. The trustee, which is our Cook Islands law firm outside of the local court's jurisdiction, will not comply, as your local court does not have jurisdiction in the Cook Islands. Now, the Cook Islands doesn't recognize foreign judgments, so the trustee is bound by law to ignore the court order. Now, I've been in the asset protection business myself since 1991. Our company was formed in 1906, and I teach seminars to attorneys, CPAs, and business people. And I believe we have over 65,000 clients in our database. We have established literally thousands of trusts and companies over the years. Now, when we set up a trust, we want to give our clients the remote control. So the trust owns 100% of an LLC, and we make you the manager. And we often establish the LLC in the Caribbean island of Nevis or in the Cook Islands itself. Now, the LLC holds the bank account. Nevis also has very good asset protection trust law, by the way. So the LLC inside the trust, we make the client the manager, and the LLC controls the assets. The manager of that LLC is the controller, the signatory on the account initially. Now, your account doesn't have to be in the Cook Islands, by the way. It can really be in any financial institution in the world that offers a financial safe haven. Now, when the, quote, bad thing happens, you have a legal threat, you can temporarily have the trustee step in, which is our law firm. They can be the manager of your LLC that's inside the trust now. Now, the trustee, just to give you a background, is licensed and bonded, a licensed and bonded law firm. Plus, they went through intensive background checks to get the additional trustee license. And by bonded, we mean the funds are insured by an insurance company. So for client safety and peace of mind, the only time that our law firm steps in is when the courts would take the money. So the question asked is, would you rather have a 100% chance of a court taking your money? Would you rather have our licensed bonded law firm, who's never taken a client's money, do what you've paid them to do, and that's protect your money? So when the bad thing goes away, the string of control, which is the management of the LLC that's inside the trust, goes right back to you, and you're back in the driver's seat with all of your money intact. In the meantime, during legal duress, if our law firm needs to step in, if you have bills to pay, the trustee can pay them for you. You can have a trustee pay trusted friend or relatives who provide money for you, and so on. So in other words, you still have full access to the funds as far as your personal use, but your enemy at law does not. The bottom line is that everything you've worked so hard for is safe and secure. Now, the best asset protection the trust provides is for liquid assets held offshore. For example, U.S. courts have jurisdiction over U.S. banks and U.S. real estate. So for real estate, we do what's called equity stripping. We record mortgages against the property, like a home equity line of credit type of mortgage, payable to the LLC that's inside the trust, and that's initially. And then step number 2, if needed, we have a third party that purchases the mortgages, and they place the proceeds in an inaccessible account in your offshore trust. So that's how we protect real estate. So we set up a lot of these trusts for attorneys, and the attorneys typically charge their clients between $30,000 and $50,000. We charge a fraction of that amount. So you can contact us directly, and we can set up a trust for you. If you have questions, you can give us a call at 1-800-959-8819. That's 1-800-959-8819. You want to give us a call at 661-310-2930 if you're international. Or you can visit us at assetprotectionplanners.com or offshorecompany.com. We'd be glad to hear from you. Please leave your comments below in this video. If you're watching on YouTube, click like, comment, share, and give us a call. We're really glad to help you. Thank you.